The Beretta 85 BB in 380 auto. This version has a single stack 8-round mag, ambidextrous safeties on both sides. There is no decocker button mag release. Pretty good look at the markings there. This gun does not have a decock feature on it, and it does not have a magazine disconnect. It is single action, double action. The Beretta design of its mid-sized guns. This one has one white dot and another to line up, which kind of helps. Some people don't prefer that. The single stack mag gives it a narrower profile, which may be something for some people, makes it easier in a concealed carry, even though they do make versions with 13 rounds, which may be more preferable to some individuals. All right.